How to fix Instagram couldn't connect to camera or microphone. Firstly, clear all the apps that are running on the background. Then try opening the app. If you're still facing the issue, then go to your app info. Inside app info of Instagram, select permissions. Now make sure that camera and microphone are in the allowed section. Click on each one of them and select allow only while using the app. Additionally, also select storage and click on clear cache at the bottom right corner. Go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. Restarting clears temporary glitches blocking the camera or microphone access. Also, check for any kind of updates that may be available for Instagram. If you see the update option, click on it to update the app. If none of these are working, then try reinstalling Instagram. Before reinstalling the app, make sure that you have remembered your login credentials. Also, don't forget to back up your data. If you don't want to delete Instagram app, then maybe you can try logging out and logging back in. This does refresh account data and may restore camera and microphone functionalities. That's all for today. Thank you.